How to create YouTube shorts from existing video. For that, first of all, open up YouTube application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner, and here tap on view channel next to your profile name. So once you're here, tap on your videos. So now you have to select your existing video from where you want to create these shorts from. You have to select or tap on the video. Once you're here, just below your video, there you will have a remix button, tap on it. After you have tapped on remix, you will have this pop-up box in your interface. There at the first is an option to add it into a short, so tap on it. Now, you can create a short from your existing video. You can use the timeline on this interface. You can crop your video according to your preference. You can select the part of your video that you want to set as your YouTube source. You can make it either 50 seconds or 60 seconds according to your preference. Once done, tap on done button. Here you can edit your shorts. You can either add text, you can add filters, stickers, or voiceover to your video. And if you're done editing, tap on next. And now you can upload a short to your account. So this is the way to create your YouTube shorts from existing video and upload. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.